we are about to take Star for her first time on the beach. There is off. Good girl. Those shortest routes, so we're not going in through the bushes. I wonder if she likes it. I don't know. So find out. Obviously, I've still got her on the lead. I just want her used to the lead and used to walk before I take her off completely. Stay ready? And then I know it's big steps. Ready? Good girl. Good girl. I'm wearing my Hawley trousers. There, wait. Good girl. You're doing so well. Look how pretty. Go on then. I don't know whether to carry her down or not, but she seems alright for now. She does steps at home. Some of them are tiny, some of them are large. Good boy, Bear. You ready? Show Star the beach. Her first time. That's it. Go on. Good girl. No, you're waiting for me. My hair keeps blowing in my face. Just seen my friend Jade cycling as I was driving here. I bleeped her. I don't think she realised it was me. She's just waving back like not realising it was me, but that's fine. Right, go. I'll message her in a bit and say, that was me! Who bleeped you? That's my childhood friends. Right, go in there. Fantastic baby she is. Big step. There. 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 Come on. Let's show Star. I wonder what she feels about the sensation on her paws. I think she's a bit... Don't pee on her head. Crikey. She's a bit wary. Look, she's a bit unsure. That's okay. Go on, baby. Look, follow Bear's lead. A bear builds her confidence up, which is really good. And down here, I can let him off usually. Which makes it a little bit easier. What's that feel like on your feet? Oh, you wagging your tail? Bear, come on then. Oh, I just need to get my hair off my face. Good girl. Bear. Oh, right there. Right, ready? Bear. Come on. Jesus Christ, she nearly knocked her out. But this is stone. She might not like it. Look. There, this way. Go. Good boy. Don't get distracted by the other dogs. We can walk along that coastline. This is really shining, huh? Come on then. There. She's doing really well. Big and scary. The ocean's big and scary and you're doing amazing. Doesn't seem to matter. Is that Holy Stone? Nope. It bears off. No F given. See, I love to find holy stones. I know. I will carry you in a bit, baby. It's cold. Bag's wide open. I haven't dropped anything. Ah! Yeah! Are they cool? What are they? Little stumps. Oh, look! Big wide sea! The big ocean. Hey? You're doing amazing. Good girl. Should we come here? There. There. Well done. Are you a bit nervous? Oh, you're a bit scared, baby. Let's go get Bear. Bear? Hi, baby. Star's a bit nervous. Yes, she is. Right. Maybe we'll walk up to the bushes then. She's a bit nervous. Walk up here. It could be the noises. Good girl. And it's loud, isn't it? In the ocean, isn't it? I mean, Bear, come on. Bear. tripping me up though. She just wants to be under me right now. Which is fine. She'll get used to not doing that. There! Come on, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Weird stones under your feet, huh? Good girl. Come on, baby. Oh, you're so good. Yeah. See, have a sniff around. Don't climb that big hill. We'll do a gradual one. Yeah. There. Good boy. I know. There, this way. Oh, there's a good boy. There, Star. This way. There. Star. Go on. Good boy. Good girl. Go on. Good job, buddy. There, you good boy. She's running a bit. She's chasing her brother. All that wind is like, whew, my breath out. I'm going to lose his lead in a minute. Are you running? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Hello. Oh, your ball. Where's your ball? Look at your ball. We throw it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. There, come on then. Go this way. There, this way, baby. Oh, Star, you saying hello, are you? She's 13 weeks. Her first day on the beach. I was filming her. I better pause her.